Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a spring and summer Bath & Body Works haul. I think the last haul I did from Bath & Body Works was 2 to 3 months ago, which is not normal. I usually do them like every 2 weeks, every month, so it's been a while. So I figured I'd kind of round up what I've purchased and been loving the last month or so. I made a few purchases from online. One actually just came in the mail today, and then I've gone to the store a few times as well. So I wanted to share with you what I've picked up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies I got from Bath & Body Works, then just keep watching. So before we get into the Bath & Body Works goodies, I quickly just wanted to share 2 perfumes that I've been loving. One of them just came in, and they are from the company or brand Dossier. I've mentioned them many times in many videos, and what's so great about them is that they sell designer-inspired fragrances, perfumes, colognes for $29, not $50, not $100, not $150, because let's be honest, that's what they go for these days, and they smell just like the real thing. This first one right here is Floriental Almond, and it is inspired by Carolyn Herrera's Good Girl perfume. Now that perfume is over $100. It's the cute little stiletto shaped perfume, and I really thought about purchasing that like a year ago, and this smells just like it, you guys. It smells really nice. I think it's really nice for this time of year. I'll quickly just read the notes for you. The notes are almond, peach, orris, orange blossom, tuberose, tonka bean, vanilla, and cocoa. So this one is Floriental Almond. And then next, this is my go-to. It's like my go-to all year long at this point, and I wish I knew about this before I actually spent over $100 on the perfume, but this is Gourmand White Flowers, or Gourmand White Flowers, and it is inspired by and smells just like Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb, which is a very, very popular perfume, and this one's $29, and it smells just like it, you guys. Just like it. It's crazy. So especially if you're thinking about that perfume, I would just go for the $29 one. But anyways, the notes for this are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries, white flowers, orchid rose, musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. This one is so nice, especially for the spring and summer. This one is nice for like going out at night, and this one could be for that, or it could be during the day, but I've really been liking these 2 so far. So if you guys are interested in Dossier and saving money on designer perfumes, and these ones smell just like the real deal, for $29, I will have them linked down below. So now the Bath & Body Works goodies. First, I'm going to start off with hand soaps, because I want to say about a month ago I went and purchased a few. I have been using them, but I still wanted to mention them. Let me just grab them all here, and I don't know exactly what the deal was for these. It might have been when they were on sale for like $3.50, $3.95, but I really honestly can't recall. So this one right here is pink, lilac, and vanilla, and I actually am shocked I like this one. I do like lilacs, but sometimes, I don't know, it's like too florally for me, but this one is really nice, you guys, and it's a really nice hand soap scent. It's different. Definitely spring. It like is a spring scent, but obviously it can roll into summer. So I've really been liking this one. And the notes are fresh lilac bouquets, dewy greens, and vanilla blossom. So this one's really nice. And then the next hand soap that is like almost gone is Strawberry Pound Cake. Like, I'm so glad that they made this a year-round scent. Last year was the first year that they just stuck with it and carried it through year-round. I absolutely love this, especially for like the spring and summer. I really like Strawberry Pound Cake, and the notes for this are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So I'll probably be due soon to pick up another one. And then lastly, there might have been one more, maybe in my bathroom. I'm not exactly sure which one is in there, but this is just champagne toast, so I have a little backup right there. The notes for this are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. This one, obviously, you guys know is a year-round scent as well. Thank goodness, because I love champagne toast. Let's move on to candles. I have 4 to share with you. I do plan on picking up a few more during the semi-annual sale. I think it starts soon. I don't think it's started yet, but by the time this video is up, it probably will be going on. And I don't know if I've mentioned this in any other videos, but I am not getting any more Bath & Body Works coupons. I'm really actually upset about it, to be honest with you guys. Luckily, the other day they had in the email the 20% off, which I used. I think I might have used it in store and online, but I don't get any coupons anymore. I'm not sure what happened, so I had to have them re-put me in the system. I had them do my husband's name too and address, so you know, maybe he'll get lucky and get coupons. And then I actually had a call because they said there was something with my name and address in the system where I had a call, so I don't know. I hope I start getting them soon because it's really annoying me because I've been not really using coupons, you guys. But I will say I did download the rewards app. My store doesn't do it, but if I do shop online through the rewards app, I do get rewards. So every time it seems like I'm shopping through the app, I'm getting a free full-size item of $16.50 or less. So that's pretty good. Hopefully my store does it soon. But what you can do also is you can shop through the rewards app and redeem your rewards through the app and then pick up in store if your store doesn't do it. That's what my store told me. So I figured I would mention that. But anyway, so I'm hoping that I start to get coupons, to make a long story short, because I spend way too much money here, as you guys know, to not be getting coupons. So pink, lilac, and vanilla again, you guys. I just kind of like this. It's different. It's really nice. Now it is super floral, but it's okay. And if you like lilacs, you will love this. It's just a really beautiful scent. So I will read the notes again, but it's the same as the hand soap. It is fresh lilac bouquets, dewy greens, vanilla blossom with natural essential oils. And I honestly think that this is a new scent for this year, you guys. I did pick up this one, I want to say maybe like 3 weeks ago, a month ago. So it's a really pretty scent. Definitely different than what I typically go for. And then next, this is the second time I've purchased this candle. This kicks butt. It smells so nice. And I know in the fall they typically will come out with a blueberry like waffle one or something like this that smells a little similar, but this is blueberry pie, and this is one of my favorites. This is the second time I purchased this. The first one is already long gone. The notes for this are juicy blueberries, flaky crust, and sugar crystals. Definitely would 100% recommend this one. It's so nice. And then let's see here. Berry waffle cone is just amazing. I love it. I don't know why they will not come out with, or I don't know why they have not come out with the fragrance bulbs in berry waffle cone. Usually they do. I don't think they have yet because the order that just came in the mail today was bulbs, and I did not see berry waffle cone on their site yet. But I did get the candle, and it just smells amazing, you guys. So let me read the notes to you. The notes are sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, creamy vanilla with natural essential oils. Last year I purchased the concentrated room spray of this, and it just smells so amazing. I just love it. I spray it, and it's just so nice. So this is a really nice one as well, berry waffle cone. Hopefully they come out with the bulb soon. And then this right here is Summer Boardwalk. Oh my goodness, you guys. This one will spread throughout your whole house. Like this one actually might be the strongest out of all of them, but all the candles I just mentioned spread very well. You guys know me, if the candle doesn't spread to my liking, I will return it, and you totally can do that. Some candles, just the throw on it or how well it spreads in a room, when you light it, it doesn't do anything. Like you have to actually get over and smell it. This one is not the case, you guys. Like I smell this upstairs, it smells up my whole house, and it just smells amazing. So the notes for this are caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, and salty sweet cream. This one would totally recommend. A lot of these are the sweeter scents, you guys. So those are the candles that I did pick up. I do plan on, like I said again, picking up more. Now, I think a majority of what I have left, you guys, if I can like get this all organized, because I have a box here too, is bulbs. I've just been like going bulb crazy, and they've been running some really good deals on the bulbs. Let me not do that because it's gonna like fall. They've been running really good deals on the bulbs. So let's see what we have in here. I have watermelon lemonade. This one's a really good one. I have it plugged in back there, but it's like almost gone, but this one's very powerful. The notes for this are watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. That's weird, but yeah, this one's really nice. They do have the candle, but I haven't purchased the candle yet. I might purchase it around the semi-annual sale. I do have the pink watermelon candle, which is even like sweeter than this. But yeah, so I have watermelon lemonade, and then we have champagne toast, just a classic. I already read the notes for this, but this one I just love. You can't go wrong with that. Then I purchased a bunch of, and like they're all around my house, of the strawberry pound cakes. I will read the notes again. It's fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So this one is really nice as well. I just love it. And then I think for this bag in here, that's like pretty much it for the ones that I got in this bag. Actually, let's see, they threw this in the bag. This is from last week. So the semi-annual sale starts June 13th. So that's like next week, I think, for us. But by the time this video goes up, it'll probably be going on. So now we know. Then I swapped out a few plugs. A lot of them are basics, and then this one was the decorative one I picked up. I swapped out another decorative one. Now, for those of you that don't know, I do mention this all the time. The plugs, after a while, they stop working or stop spreading the oils in the bulbs properly. Like, they sometimes just don't even spread them at all. And that's when I know that it's time to kind of swap them out. These are guaranteed for life, so if you bring your bulbs in and they're not like super old, and they're comparable, like you can't get a nice decorative one for a basic one, they will swap, you can swap them out for free and you do not need a receipt. So I would definitely take advantage of it. You can do it. Again, just like you can't bring one from like 5 years ago and swap it out. So this is the one that I went with. Very pretty. And then let's get into this box of goodies over here. I'm actually gonna put some candles back over on this chair because I don't want these candles to like fall. So this just came in the mail today. We've got this box right here. So as I was saying before, I had a free full-size up to 1650 item that I could pick up for the rewards app. So what I did is I ordered all of this through the app online, and then I was able to get a free body wash. I actually need body wash. So I decided I was going to get either strawberry pound cake or champagne toast because those are the body washes I usually go for. But I decided to go with this pink watermelon blast and give it a try. And it had really, it had pretty good reviews. But it actually smells really nice. This honestly smells, if I can, keep the cap on this, this reminds me of the pink watermelon, I think is it pink watermelon? The candle that I was mentioning. That's very powerful. This smells just like it, pretty much just like it, but the notes for this are juicy pink watermelon, sugared strawberry blossoms, and lime zest. But this smells really nice, so this is the one I went with. I don't think they carry this in store. Maybe they do, but this is the item that I got for free. So it's kind of cool that you can do that through the app because I never knew about it and I would purchase online so many times. So every time you purchase through the app, you accumulate points and then they send you a reward. So it's really nice. So the rest of these items are going to be bulbs. Let me just throw that, all that paper over there. So I have pink lilac and vanilla again. They do have this in the bulb. And I'll read the notes one more time. Fresh lilac bouquets, dewy greens, and vanilla blossom. So I got a couple of those. Most of these are going to be summer boardwalk. The other day, I think I gave 2 to my mom, and she plugged them into her kitchen and living room, and the whole house smells like it. Like, these bulbs probably are like one of the most powerful bulbs I've ever experienced. So I just purchased a ton because I have strawberry pound cake currently pretty much everywhere in my house, and they're pretty much done. So I'm gonna put this all throughout my house. Smells so nice. I'll read the notes again because I do love this so much. It's caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, and salty sweet cream. So there's a ton of these that I ordered, and the deal was really good that they had for the bulbs. And I don't even know if I ordered any other. No, I just ordered like a ton of these, you guys. I ordered like 10 of the summer boardwalks. So yeah, and like that's it. I know it's like not a super big haul because I already have like so much from Bath & Body Works, but I do plan on shopping more during the semi-annual sale, and I need to get some damn coupons so I can save money. The coupons bring me into Bath & Body Works, if that makes sense. So I will probably be doing another haul soon, maybe in the next month or so. We'll see how that goes. But let me know in the comments down below, what have you been liking from Bath & Body Works? What are your favorite scents? Are you getting coupons? Or are you not getting coupons? I feel like so many of you guys will tell me that you're not getting coupons. So right now I'm not. It happens to us eventually. I don't know what happens that gets screwed up in their system. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.